Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of precision cooking with the best cooking oil thermometer available in the market, the Yacumama Digital Water Thermometer. If you're tired of guessing whether your oil is at the right temperature for frying or cooking, this is the gadget for you. With its instant read technology and waterproof design, you'll never have to worry about undercooked or overcooked food again. Let's talk about why this thermometer stands out from the rest. First off, it's IPX7 waterproof, meaning you can rinse it under running water without any concerns. Plus, its long probe keeps you safely away from the heat source while still providing accurate readings. But what really sets this thermometer apart is its ease of use. With just the press of a button, you can power it on and start measuring. And with a wide temperature range from -58°F to +572°F, it's suitable for all your cooking needs. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about how easy it is to use and how it makes food prep a breeze. Whether you're frying, baking, or grilling, this thermometer has got you covered. To sum it up, the Yacumama Digital Water Thermometer is a must-have tool for any kitchen. Its waterproof design, instant read technology, and long probe make it the perfect companion for all your cooking adventures. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more kitchen gadget reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!